we received information regarding the tragic demise of an Indian national during an attack in Riyadh on 18th March. We express our deepest condolences to the family of the deceased. 6 Indian nationals have unfortunately lost their lives and 1 is missing in various incidents. The Ministry of External Affairs continues to closely monitor the developments in the Gulf and the West Asia region. The focus of our efforts has been to ensure the safety, security and welfare of the large Indian community in the region. The Ministry's dedicated special control room continues to operate to assist and support Indian nationals and their families. We have a robust mechanism to coordinate efforts and share information with the state governments and union territories. Our missions and posts across the region are working continuously to support our community and remain in regular touch with the large number of Indian associations and organizations spread across the region. They also remain in close contact with the local governments. The 24/7 helplines continue to function and advisories are being issued regularly to keep our citizens informed. We continue to proactively assist seafarers, students, stranded Indian nationals and short-term visitors for visas, consular services and logistical support where required. An update on the status of flights. Overall, the flight situation continues to improve with additional flights operating from the region. Since February 28th, around 300,000 passengers have returned from the region to India. From UAE, airlines continue to operate limited non-scheduled flights based on operational and safety considerations. Today again, around 90 flights are expected to operate from various airports in UAE to India. Flights continue to operate from Oman and Saudi Arabia to India. With the Qatar airspace partially open, Qatar Airways is expected to operate 10 non-scheduled commercial flights to India today. Kuwait airspace remains closed. Jazeera Airways of Kuwait is expected to commence special non-scheduled commercial flights to various destinations in India from the Al Qaisuma International Airport in Saudi Arabia with the first flight today to Kochi. This will facilitate the travel of Indian nationals from Kuwait to India. Bahrain airspace remains closed. Gulf Air of Bahrain continues to operate special non-scheduled commercial flights from Dammam Airport of Saudi Arabia to India. In view of the flight restrictions from Kuwait, Bahrain and Iraq, we are also facilitating travel of Indian nationals via Saudi Arabia. We continue to assist travel of Indian nationals in Iran through Armenia and Azerbaijan to India. We are also facilitating travel of Indian nationals from Israel via Jordan to India. Late yesterday night, we received information regarding the tragic demise of an Indian national during an attack in Riyadh on 18th March. We express our deepest condolences to the family of the deceased. Our mission in Riyadh is in touch with the family and is coordinating closely with the local authorities for the early return of mortal remains to India. 6 Indian nationals have unfortunately lost their lives and 1 is missing in various incidents. Our missions in Saudi Arabia, Oman, Iraq and UAE are in regular touch with the concerned authorities regarding the missing Indian national and for the early repatriation of mortal remains of the deceased Indian nationals to India. From Iraq, 15 Indian crew members of MT Safe Sea Vishnu who were safely rescued had left Iraq yesterday and are expected to return from Saudi Arabia to India today. 24 rescued Indian seafarers, including 16 who were on board MV MKD Vyom and 8 on board MT Skylight, have earlier arrived in India from Oman. Thank you.